5 minutes played at least. Oh my god. The pages. Oh my god, this is so. Okay, beta. Yes, she'll be painting it. When she was banging her on the wall. Oh my god. Out of reflex, she kicked her on the wall. Oh my god, while pulling her hair, and she started laughing along with Steve. So they started bonding over how crazy they've gone. They moved on peacefully while ruining everyone else's peace. Stuck on what is geometry since yesterday. Wow, oh my god. Hey, Demon Slayer! Demon Slayer, oh my god! Wow! Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, now go. Oh my god. We are making, what are we making today? We are making a her biology project. We are making a biology project. What are we making? Nerve cell, neuron. And we have a cardboard here. We'll be doing that today. It's so warm these days. It's so warm. See, this is the diagram. Okay, okay. Chopping, chopping. True. This is the base. Oh, आज है ना आज है रुक कर दे 5 मिनट कर दे एटलीस्ट तू ताटे खाना में टेप लगाई दे इन अ बॉर्डर पर यू कैन पुट अ टेप नो ओ माय गॉड ग्लिटर पेन ओ माय गॉड कितना टाइम पास ही में चाहिए ग्लिटर पेन ब्रांच ऑलिव बनाओ पिल्ला इना तू पिल्ला आना पर ट्रायल मार आना पर ट्रायल मार भाई ए फाइन छे आई डोंट वांट टू ruin that one. Hello guys, see how has this turned out. Oh my god. This is how it's looking guys. It's nice only. But then I think the most difficult part will be cutting this. But let's see. And I have online classes and I'm not attending them because we are not able to join with the maid only. So we have been given free attendance for that. Free attendance. Cutting time. That would be stretching it, but okay. When I was a kid, I used to love drawing, like sketching a lot. This was very fun for me. I don't know why I stopped sketching after some point. Like literally, I think I should start doing it again, but then I don't have time. Oh my god. And I ended up reading like 1/3 of that book. I'm literally carrying it with me. I think only 50 pages are left. This baddie, I'm like, where this much is left. This section is left. So we'll be finishing that today, hopefully. I'm supposed to edit that video as well for tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday and we're supposed to upload a video on Sunday. So, but let's see. I want to do it. I think I learned a lot from that book. My dad and my mom both are like, why are you reading such a...
I was hoping that I find the
Yeah, you. Chalo, paints. I'm not making the same thing again. Like पूरा structure हमने बनाए रहे, but I'll use a small circle. बेता ने ना ऊपर and stack कर दे ताकि वो protruding effect आ भी आए ना मा. I'll stick that on the chart paper. Like the stationery person downstairs gave her like a blank. Like usually the pages are ruled like this. No, they gave her the pages were blank on both the sides. Imagine, so I just sent her downstairs to have it exchanged. Why will she waste her money over that? Let's see if he's going to change it or not. But the progress on this neuron is this much. Like, I definitely think we'll have to double, triple this layer. But I'll just stack it up. I'll use a backbone behind it and then stack it up instead. Who's gonna make this again and again? It's kind of difficult to make it again and again, and it's like a waste of time. I'll just use some things and stack it up together so that it is not flimsy. Basically, it does not look flimsy, but the material in itself is kind of flimsy. Like, look at this. It's easy to chop as well. Anyways, getting back to the job, guys, back to the job. So, going back to the book thing, my parents were like, yeah, we just want to find all of these stupid books, how to, what is the title, how to work less and achieve more, but they don't read the main title, that is hyperfocus. Oh my god, they're like, yeah, you all use these, the generation these days, they don't want to work hard, they just want to have these shortcuts to success. I'm like, bro, you did not even read the title, that's hyperfocus. You just read the subtitle, but then that is how you branch out your activity and be more productive in that sense. But I'll give you guys a review. I like the book. I was not going to buy it initially, but then I was like, I might as well buy it. It's fun. It's fun actually. Like, I was supposed to buy this book by Tam Kaur. Love her. Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers. And I will be buying that. I want to read that and then I'll be buying it as well. I don't care if I will read it in a PDF version, but I will buy the book as well. I just like her so much. She is amazing. She makes me get outside my rut or like slump so quickly. I watch one of her vlogs and then I'm like, oh my god, what am I doing with my life? I'm just wasting my time, you know? I'm just dwelling and wasting my time. I should be using it more productively, I guess. I will go and get that book as well and review it as well. I think we should start reviewing more books. I should get back into reading more this year. That was one of my goals for 2026, by the way. I had a list of, I still, obviously it's 2026, it's just April, so I still have a list of goals that I'm yet to accomplish, and some more new goals that have been added recently. I have accomplished a few, not a few, but like two, three till now. We have the rest 8 months left to accomplish them all together. Oh my god, this is so. This is the end result. Yes. You should be. Now we're gonna make this thicker by stacking all of these together at the back. Same circle, but the stack is like all together, and then I'll stick it together with this masking tape. The પછી double sided tape से એના પર चिपकाई देसु. I will not be able to make these branches again. It won't be necessary. Painting तने करवानी थी बेटा. Yes, she'll be painting it. I will not be painting it. I will not be painting it. Now we're gonna work on that. See you later. When she was banging her on the wall. Oh my god. She's giving me tea, guys. She's giving me middle school tea. She has two classmates to explain their two troublemakers. Okay, she's reframed it. Two troublemakers to explain their body structure. T is tall and healthy, and M is short and she's very thin. She good height. Yeah. M is very short. Okay. She looks like she's in class 3, but she's in 7. Oh my god. So now this. What were they fighting about though? They were fighting about the seat. M was sitting. Okay. Okay, they are fighting for the same seat basically. Okay, M wasn't moving then. Oh my god. M kicked her. So it was started by T. It was started by M. T just pulled her. Acha, okay. But still, she pulled her, no. Oh my god. Chota packet, bada dhamaka. So they were fighting for the same seat, T and M. And M was sitting on the seat T wanted to sit. So T just pulled her lightly. But then M got angry and what did she do? Out of reflex, she kicked her. What does she do? Taekwondo or something? So she kicked her. M kicked her. Then they started fighting like cats and dogs. And what was she doing? Banging M's head. She pulled her hair and then she was banging M's head on the wall. Oh my god, while pulling her hair. And then while afterwards, she also scraped her skin, no? Note, like a different incident. And the prefect was not being able to do anything. She was not stopping. Oh my god. Okay, so T was being scolded and stopped by, prevented by everyone else, but she was not getting under control by anyone. Oh, psychotic! Oh my god. After M was gone for fixing her hair and like face all fresh and all, after she came back, she started laughing along with T. So they started bonding over how crazy they've gone. T also tore M's skirt in the process. This is crazy. And they continued their normal friendship afterward. They moved on peacefully while ruining everyone else's peace. Within that same period, they started bonding. Oh wow, interesting. For this neuron, I have to make 4 of them. I just make it for fun. I like the vibes. I like yapping and I like the vibes that I can go back and look at whatever nonsense I've done. Yeah, spilling tea as well. It's a vibe. Hello guys, welcome back. It's the second day. I had to leave yesterday for something that was immediate. So I have come back and we are working. So we're getting back. This was what we had done yesterday. This is the stack that will be used as a backbone and the structure that will be stuck on top of this so that this looks more stable and protruded on the chart paper. I think, yeah. So we're gonna stick this all together now. Oh my god. Now we're gonna use this double-sided tape and we're gonna stick this on top. No scissors. And then another two like this over here, and this another one over here. So it's stuck properly. It's stuck on what is geometry since yesterday. Now we're gonna rip this off and we're gonna stick it on the back so it looks more stable. Paint. अरे मैं पेंट ब्रश लाऊं था भूल गई. अरे यार कहीं नहीं थी ऐसे कहीं तो कहीं बंदोबस्त. Ripping it off. બધું મેં જ કરી લઉં વાહ મેં પણ કરીશ હજુ કંઈ કરવું જ નથી બેટા Now we're gonna stick this on top of this. That, my friends, is the $1,000,000 question. We're gonna stick this on top of this. Now this is done. Yeah, so now we're gonna attach more cardboard so that this is more stable. And these parts. Okay, we're gonna do that now. The structure has been made. I've attached the backbone as well. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. So this is what it looks like. Don't even, yeah. If you just gotta trust the process. Trust the process. And she's gonna paint it. I will chill. Now she's given me some sticker books to look at. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. So cute. Joe? Like, oh my god, so cute. I like stickers so much. I like stationery. I love myself a good stationery. Normal books. hai. Oh wow. Oh my god, so cute. Chat. Hello. This is so cute. Oh my god. Hearts. Have a good day. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god. એ આ તો આ છે Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer, oh my god, wow. I can't remember the character's name. Don't come for me. I'll have to search that up. Seriously? Wow. Oh my god. Stars and moons. Moons and stars. Hearts. Wow, I love this. I love stationery, bro. I love stationery. Oh my god. I love stationery. Oh my god, 13 keychains. Huh, it's I think it's worth the price. Misho? Oh my god, lady person. We'll buy stickers from Misho now. Huh? Oh, so you can take it off and then apply it somewhere else again. The gum quality will reduce though. Not interested in finding eggs. Another set of double-sided tape. And guys, it's done finally. This is how it's looking. Let me look at the shades. Oil pastels reveal. Oh, I like this shade as well. Jetha jo upar sa Jetha na. Sara tumne hai ja. Oh my god. અમે શું કરીએ છો એનું આ અહીંયા પાછળ છે અને એને ફેરવી છે. Yes. Now putting this aside. This is what it's looking like, guys. Tell me how it looks. Tell me what do you all think. I'm too exhausted to stand up and record anything now. We are going to go sleep after this. And she's going to put in the diagram. I'm not going to watch it. I'm going to go home. She's going to label it. And I'm not gonna watch you while you label it. I'm gonna go home. She's manipulating me. Oh my god. She got confused. Oh my god, okay. This is how it's looking. We're gonna stick it on that chart paper. Yeah, sleep deprivation maximum is the problem. That is why I'm so.
But that it was Sunday.
Now you go there. Now arm stick around. Good job. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Oh my god. My cousin is judging me. Hardcore. Now you're gonna remove the double-sided tape from this. Now you're gonna remove the double-sided tape. It looks scary from behind. It looks like a jar. Jar, bro. Oh my gosh. Are yaar, ab khuli kya nathi rahi? Oh my god. Yes, one gone. She's also helping. What are you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, now go. Oh my god. Oh my god, what nonsense.
So unsatisfying.
Very unsatisfying.
Yes, and it's so sad.
Yes. Comment down, she's good. Now,
Look at this.
हालांकि इस glitter pen ने जुआती थी. Whatever.
do.
Can't do anything about that.
Oh, yeah.
हाँ, पता समझ ही नहीं सकती. Turned out, guys. This is how it turned out. Not the end result, but you get the vibe. You get the vibe. She's supposed to live till now. And then, but this is what it has ended up from the beginning to the end.